I have been in asphalt paving industry since 1990, and I'm also the Mid-South Director for the Asphalt Seal Coat Manufacturers Association. A challenge that I had to overcome, first of all, being a woman in a man's industry, has always had its challenges. I think bringing something completely new and trying to introduce it to the people who are used to using other products, is used to doing something one way, and they think that it's a huge challenge to switch over. I am the most proud that I was brave enough to bring something totally new to this area, and I wanted to do that to make this place safer, to have an environmentally sound product that could be used by a homeowner or a professional. It's just so safe. As a whole, we need to do all we can to ensure the health of all of our workers and the people that use these products. My legacy is going to be to leave this earth better than I found it.